knowledge sharing is really important. And one of the great things that we've got within Opencast, not just in the BA space, but we have communities of practice. So if you look at the BA practice, we've got over 60 BAs currently. That's a huge body of knowledge there. Someone is going to know the answer if you've got a question or a problem that you're currently facing. So what we encourage is people to get together, be really part of that community. We have community leads that organise sessions, and those sessions can be anything from just having a bit of fun, because we all need that sometimes, through to learning about new stuff like AI, which is really important and topical, but also a place where people feel safe to ask a question and go, I'm really struggling with this thing. And so I would encourage everybody to be part of our community of practice.
There is nothing worse than being stagnating in any role that you do, right? There is nothing worse than stagnating and feeling that you are stuck doing the same things over and over. The only way of getting out of that is by focusing on your growth. And my role as practice lead is that of an enabler of growth. And we have worked quite hard within Opencast to make sure that we have a strong support network that enables that growth. We have a healthy, strong, vibrant community of mentors, and we also have a great community. So within the practice, embracing the community is what will ultimately support you on your growth journey within the company.
So it starts with some simple stuff, we work in an agile way, so we have retrospectives, and we try and create a safe space for our consultants and our team members, and just think about reflection. So that helps the teams improve, because they're all reflecting on what's gone well, what hasn't gone well, and how they can improve. Knowledge sharing is about kind of having the right meetings in place for your teams and the right environment for your teams. It's around having tech breakout sessions so your teams can get together and share the knowledge. It's about encouraging teams to work together to share their knowledge. So whether that's kind of creating an environment where people mob on the work, so they work together and they share their knowledge naturally. It's about encouraging your teams and individuals to be part of communities and be part of practices to share their knowledge more widely, whether that be in the client domain or back with an Opencast and within our internal kind of communities and practices that we have here.